Compact width and impact, measuring only 4.53 inch wide and 11.3 tall, the G22 gaming desktop can fit in even the most compact spaces despite of packing powerful hardware. Powerful performance, the G22 takes Windows 11 gaming to the next level with an Intel Core i7-13700F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti while only measuring 10L in volume. Modern design, featuring a sleek and minimalistic design, the G22 is able to blend in any scenario, while subtle RGB lighting allows for additional personalization. Easy access design, get access to the internals of the G22 with just a slide, allowing you to upgrade components swiftly and effortless.
Splendid sound revel in the richness of Dolby Atmos audio support, recreating soundscapes exactly as the artists intended, and keeping your communications clear with Two-Way AI Noise-Cancellation technology.